So I have my acai bowls from this place called Cocoa Bean, really frozen. She gave me a lot of granola. So it's my birthday weekend. That's my birthday weekend. Oh my teeth. It's good though. This one is called, damn, which one I got? I forgot the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen. We'll have to let them know. As you can see, it's like frozen, so. But it's really good. Why didn't you see the ceiling? Look at the time capsule ceiling. I didn't see that. No. I gotta show y'all my cute spaces.
Like the ceiling and everything. They're showing the Haitian flag. Oh, the Jamaican flag is there, so they can't really see the Jamaican flag. Okay, well, I gotta get up and show you my flag though. There we go. Got a Haitian and Jamaican flag. And it's a cute little spot. It is so cute.
Want me to vlog? But no. Oh no, come on girl. Birthday weekend. Birthday's on Sunday. Don't be honest. It's our birthday weekend. And we trying to get the nails done. She gotta get the nails done. Looking crazy over here. And she don't show nothing. She doesn't want to be a part of the vlog.
We're gonna be out there all weekend tomorrow. I have this thing for her mother friend. We're both cancers. My two crabs. See my crabs. It's the only crab that I got. I can't.
You know what's right? What is that? The city?
There's something that they'll love it. I know for a fact. And then on Sunday we're going to dinner. Yeah. About to be a lit weekend. I'm gonna thank you God. It's my shirt from me. It's my mom's shirt. But so after this we're just gonna kill time because she had an appointment earlier for 2 o'clock, and then she called the women's doing something about tomorrow and Sunday. And this is why I'll stick to my wigs. I'll be damned if I be stressed about appointments.
He's gonna do dress up for my hair.
This is stress that we don't need when we got shit to do. That's why I'm like, oh, boy, don't get here, bring me on a vacation. Nope, I'm fine. I will stick to my wigs, so they will never disappoint me. And neither will Amazon. So when we're done, we're gonna get our nails done. Killing time until 6 o'clock. What time is it? 4:18. My nails are crazy. I tried the SNS powder. It didn't last. I don't like it. It's supposed to make my nails stronger, but it's not. I don't know. It's not it. I'm going back to my tips. We're gonna get our nails done. And I'm excited for the weekend. Are you excited?
Yes. I'm not gonna pay for nothing.
Yo. No, of course, as you should. Because no. It's your birthday weekend. You shouldn't be paying for nothing. When you have real friends, that is. There's a thing. She's like, oh, I'm gonna pay for my dinner. Girl, gosh. I'm gonna pay for what? And the thing is, she knows me. So if it's just me and her, she was gonna pay for nothing. But then we go with other people from our job. These two older women that love her. They was like, what? Like, no, we're not having that. That's not happening. And I'm like, exactly. I know what she's talking about. Especially with Marisol and Moya. You crazy? They're not. Remember last time? This was funny today. But yeah, we're gonna have a lit weekend. I'm so happy.
Not a simple showcase in itself. Every time for the embarrassment.
That looks cold. It's making my tooth hurt.
That's right. Big chum, big chum. I'm gonna go to the nail salon now, so hopefully it's not packed in there. And hopefully it won't take long. If anything, I could do nails in the morning because the thing that we have to do tomorrow is at 5 o'clock. Well, we have to be there at 5. I could do my nails in the morning.
In the morning?
If it's not packed in there, my nails look crazy though. No, they look cool. So this is their surprise, and they love it. Say hi. Look at my.
Thank you so much.
Why are you so annoying? I'm here done vlogging. Look at my badass friend. Yes, girl. Let's give it model vibes. Birthday girl. Hey. Well, almost birthday girl.
I'm doing like an L shape, just so we're all on one side. Okay, it's trying to get checked in. So cute. I'm gonna have
I'm in charge of getting y'all drunk, and if y'all want me to move fast, I need to feel the low. So I'm gonna try one more time. How y'all doing today?
Good.
All right.
Do a little something, something.
Welcome to Painted Form. My name is Deshaun. I'm gonna be your server today. This is Maria. She's gonna be your artist.
Hello.
So before we get started, there's one quick thing to take note of. If you guys plan on ordering any food or any shots today, just keep in mind we are a card-only facility. So that means we don't accept cash or Apple Pay. Well, let me clarify. Painted Form doesn't accept cash. Me and Maria, we accept cash. But they don't accept cash, so if you want any food, have a card ready to pay. Other than that, let's get to the menu. So we're going to be ordering from the signature side of our menus today. So all the drinks that are part of your package are in this little signature cocktail box. The only drinks that are not there that we do have, we have a red and a white wine available. And if you don't drink alcohol, we make the Picasso Punch non-alcoholic.
The menu right here.
Suggestions on drinks. The Picasso Punch, the regular one, is probably the best tasting drink. But if you need something stronger than that, I'll go with the Vodka Iced Tea. That's probably our strongest drink. And if you need something stronger than that, you're gonna have to buy shots, because there's nothing stronger. And if you don't know already, the drinks are unlimited. So you guys
Period.
Other than that, if you guys are interested in food, under the small plates, we have our food. I would probably recommend the Dynamite Shrimp. I think it's the best thing that we serve here. And it's the easiest thing to eat at the same time while you think. If you're interested in desserts, we have desserts in the bottom right corner also. But other than that, I'm going to start coming around getting the orders in, and Maria's going to get us started.
The Mona Lisa margarita.
Margarita?
Yeah.
Anything to eat?
Y'all want wings? Oh, they got wings? Yeah, they have orange honey wings. That's the only wings they have, right?
And the dynamite shrimp.
The Dynamite Shrimp? Got you.
But this is so cute.
Picasso Punch, Mona Lisa margarita, Splash Wet Ice Tea. What's that? Bestie, Apple, Da Vinci, Double.
Funny, it's like the Sistine Chapel. It's Apple's set. I see the faces there. He gives me like a 90s vibe. These like Spike Lee movies.
Yeah. That's CC. Oh my god. So you know what you're doing. Sam Circle is perfect. Look at my shit. I don't know what the hell I'm doing at this point.
She's so cold. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me, oh no. Broke me to a tiny piece, she ground. Felony, oh. Yeah, felony, oh. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me. Lie to me, she love me. Lie to me, she want me. She don't need no money. She really running. Really on a run, she really something. Maybe honestly, I need to get serious, oh I God. Only thing I really know for sure. It's a felony.
Listen, I came for these drinks. Got 2 drinks. Sam got 2 drinks. This is a weird drink.
Basket.
Something.
Tea. Iced tea.
Right? Right? Do you pay? You sure? You sure?
Naturally gifted.
She's naturally gifted. So this is our finished masterpiece. pieces. I think we did good. The fun one in the middle. This is Sam, and this is. You did good. Well, I did okay for the first time.
I'll help her.
Why are there everybody? Why are there everybody? Why are there everybody?
Let's get it. I bought for 16 passenger. This is deep. I know this not a challenger. I get some members with me in the fridge. Get cold seat. They some cannibals. They like the geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she said she's seeing 3D. I go in the jungle and they got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. Do this for the fam, cause it's bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity lane. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. No.
So it's July 10th, and it's my best friend's birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
You're welcome. So yesterday we had a nice day out, right?
Yes.
Well, I have the same clothes I had on yesterday. I don't care. Yeah. So yesterday, half the time what I was doing was drinking and eating.
And YouTube.
Of course. But yeah, I was drinking and eating, and there was more in today Picasso shit. I just was dead. Just
Well, the food was good.
the dynamite shrimp. She was obsessed with the dynamite shrimp. And the Henny wings. Like, I actually tasted the freaking Henny in the wings. That's the first time I had Henny wings and tasted the Henny in the wings. I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to do something that I know they would like. Because, you know, these cancers are artsy and naturey and all this stuff that I'm not. So, yeah. But I enjoyed it. See, it's like you have to take yourself out of your comfort zone sometimes. Because I did it yesterday. On the agenda for today, we're going to a dinner. Her birthday dinner at a Jamaican restaurant in Williamsburg. With some of our co-workers.
That's a vibe for today.
That's a vibe for today. It's going to be a whole lot of Spanish music. Again, out of my comfort zone. But I'm willing to do that for her. So, because she was in Jamaica around mad dancehall. And I mean, all the time, because it's me. Around mad dancehall and soca, because that's all I play. So, yeah. So, you know, with friendships, we have to compromise. And today I'm gonna be all that. We about to go get some breakfast.
Baby girl. Did you sleep on the wrong side? Touching the bad vibe, and it's contagious. What's the latest? Speak your heart, don't bite your tongue. Don't get it twisted, don't let it. What's your problem? Let's resolve. What's the cause? It's official. You got issues.
This is Morning Glow. What's yours?
Sima.
It's our breakfast. You say you want a plant-based. We're on our way to the restaurant now. For CC's birthday dinner. Look at this. Look at this. Looking like the first lady. You know, it's our, we got the blazer vibes going. Blazer vibes, but
Thank God it's not too hot.
we're about to go get some food, some good vibes, Spanish music.
They service at the bar for y'all.
Oh,
But I didn't see the person.
yeah. It's cute in here. We're here. Oh, my son wants to go get the cake, so she's on her way. Hi. Jada?
No, Leslie.
I have reservations for 6, but can we switch to sitting inside?
Yeah, we have ready a table inside.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Thank you. It's cute in here. I like it.
Hi, would you like to start water? Sparkling
Somebody already asked
or
us.
cup?
Somebody asked us already. Somebody already asked us.
¿Ya la pidieron?
Show us up, please.
Ya nosotros pedimos. Gracias.
Alright, so. Alright. Tastes good? It's strong? I smell that. That's yours? Oh, nah. I'm like, oh shit, I forgot I had the same thing. I'm like, that's yours? I'm scared. You only have one drink? Oh, you want to eat breakfast? Oh, okay. Yeah, here's the video, y'all. Nikki! Careful. Oh, Nikki. Oh, Nikki like, oh, Lord, I cannot. Nikki, stop.
Hi. Oh, no.
Okay. Aww. Thank you. Thank you. Oxtail sliders.
Smoky. I like it. Yeah, it's nice.
I can't order no more. Don't have them.
Ella lleva un tiempo sola, pero en las redes no sube nada. Nos ponemos genial. Quiere fluir, cansa de pensar. Dentro la iba a quemar. Hoy se quiere soltar, no quiere amarrarse, solo quiere.
Marcel, this thing you driving. I don't know about all these drinks that you having.
Well, I got it.
Stop.
Don't drink, girl.
Stop, yeah. Leave the woman drink alone.
Eat first before you drink another sip.
I am.
I'm not getting oil from
Chicken is amazing.
This is not chicken. So we went from the chicken, right?
She said this chicken is amazing. Marcel.
Thank you.
Marcel, I don't think you should have no more drink.
Relax.
You had a drink before you came here, Marcel?
If I drink, no.
You sure?
Marcel
said, this chicken tastes amazing.
What you said?
This chicken tastes amazing. You can have a whole salmon. Yeah, I cannot.
You feel my avocado, huh?
I want some.
Ok, pues otra orden de...
Sí, está bien, sí, gracias.
That's Bestie.
Give me another one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cece. Happy birthday to you.
Yes. Thank you.
Una noche entera, solo en la cartera, nos fuimos sin que nadie viera. Baby, que afrenta, tú quieres con dos y no sé si va a aguantar. Tanto siento que hay, y encima de mi bicho que te quiere sentar. Yo tengo el trato sentimental, el panty mojado, que no tenga.
Tres leche cupcakes. These look hella good. From Mia's Bakery.